Hi, and welcome to JMC 1011, Intro to Mass Communication in the Summer 2013 semester. I'm John Kerezy, your instructor, and I'm making this video to provide you with some important information about your class this summer. First off, be sure to spend some time learning how to navigate Blackboard, the content management system that Cuyahoga Community College uses for its online courses. If you have not taken an online course before, be sure to visit the Start Here pull-down menu on the left side of the Blackboard and review information about the content management system. It'd be a good idea to let me know if it's your first class as well. Second, be sure to have a copy of the textbook, Media and Culture. Here it is. Looking for the 8th edition. The principal author is named Richard Campbell. And the reason you must have that textbook is chapter reading quizzes throughout the entire semester are directly connected to the text. You will have a quiz for each chapter of the class from the textbook, and there are 3 deadlines, only 3 throughout the semester, by which a segment of the chapter reading quizzes must be completed, and also on your syllabus for the course. In addition to the quizzes, you have to write 3 papers, maybe 4, for the class. The first 2 papers are a book review and a movie review, and your syllabus contains the details, but note that you can't just review any movie or any book of your choice. I have selected several of each, and you have to pick one from those lists that are in your syllabus. For example, Brooke Gladstone's the book The Influencing Machine, and here it is one of the books that you could pick for your book review. All of the books that we list talk a lot about the media's impact on our culture and society, and that's why they're on the list. Note that it's the same thing with the movie. You must pick a movie from a list of about 7 that are in there. Again, read your syllabus for details about the papers. 3 papers are mandatory, a 4th is optional depending on how well you're doing in the class and with your papers. Online classes have something called discussion boards, which take the place of in-class discussions. You will have at least 10 discussion boards to complete during this semester, and some weeks you will have 2 postings instead of 1. The best procedure is to read the chapter first, answer the question that's associated with that week's discussion board, and then make 1 or 2 intelligent posts that reflect that you've read the material onto other students' posting in that same week. You can do that like on a Saturday or a Sunday. Deadlines for these in general are by Monday. The more posts you make, the more intelligent and learned your posts are based on the textbook and what we cover in class, the higher your score will be. And again, you see a rubric for that in the discussion boards. There are 5 main things you need to accomplish, do well to succeed in this course. They are 1, the weekly reading quizzes, 2, the papers, the book review, movie review, and so on. 3, news quizzes and news postings. Talk about that more in a minute, but you'll have 1 most, but not every week in the semester. 4, discussion boards. Talked about that. And then 5, exams. There'll be 2 exams during the course of the semester, and then a final exam the week of finals. We are trying a couple of new things with the course this summer, so you'll see points in the syllabus for news quizzes, and sometimes these will be the traditional type of quizzes, but at other times you will see a news quiz discussion board posting that I will initiate. I'm doing that in the first week, for example. When that happens, just follow the instructions. Another new wrinkle this summer is optional media visits. You have a choice to make a media visit to a TV station, a radio station, a newspaper, or take the time to come to the West Campus and take part in a TV production program. You earn extra credit, up to 50 points, for making one of these visits. Also for extra credit, there is a fill-in-the-blank sheet for each chapter of the textbook. You find these in course documents in Blackboard, and you fill in, complete, and return these to me. And you can gain about 45 points total, extra credit, for the class this semester if you fill all those out. Finally, as mentioned before, you have 3 exams, 1 for chapter 1 through 6, 1 on chapters 7 through 12, and a final exam with double point credit for chapters 13, 14, and 15. These 3 exams make up about 1/3 of the points you can earn for the class this semester. So take notes, pay close attention as you read your textbook because those exam questions come from there. Watch for key terms and important influencers in the mass media as you read. That'll be a significant help for you on the final. Remember, This semester is only 8 weeks long. Do not delay getting your assignments done, because if you fall too far behind, you'll discover that you won't be able to catch up. I have office hours. They're posted below right now on the screen, and I can be reached at my office by phone or by email during those times. However, I am very accessible. Most students tell me that I respond to their inquiries far better than many other professors that they've had. The preferred way to reach me is the Tools pull-down menu from Blackboard, and then Messages. Do that to send me routine messages, your papers, and other course-related materials, and so on. If need be, I'll be glad to meet with you in person during my office hours, and or see you on Skype even, if necessary. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you're ready for an exciting, educational, and informative summer session at Cuyahoga Community College.